One of the biggest problems for affiliate marketers is getting traffic to their affiliate links. And inside this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get traffic to your affiliate links for free. These are all free methods that I have been using to get traffic to my affiliate links so that I can make commissions with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you all of that inside this video. So if you get any kind of value from this video whatsoever, go ahead and hit the like button and let's go ahead and jump into the methods step by step. Method number one for getting traffic to your affiliate links is using Twitter. I've been able to grow an audience over 14,000 people on Twitter and promote affiliate products successfully, making thousands of dollars in the process. And I'm about to show you step by step, so keep watching the video to learn how to get traffic to your affiliate links through Twitter. When it comes to getting traffic to your affiliate links using Twitter, there's one thing that a lot of people overlook when it comes to this method, and that is having a good optimized bio on your Twitter account to direct people to that affiliate product that you are promoting. So as you can see here in my profile, what sticks out right off the bat is I say, look, this is what my account is all about, passive income with affiliate marketing. And then I tell them exactly how much I make on Twitter. That's just a slight flex so they can know that I have some kind of credibility behind my brand and my name. And then I tell them the #1 way to make money online, and I direct them to the affiliate product. That is the perfect way to set up your bio. You tell them, #1, what is it that your account is all about? Then you tell them some kind of flex that you have been accomplishing as of recently. And then lastly, you direct them to the affiliate link so that you can start making passive income using Twitter and driving traffic to those affiliate links. So how in the world do you actually get traffic to your affiliate links using Twitter? Well, the #1 way is to find big accounts on Twitter that are in your niche and then go ahead and comment under their tweets so that you can get impressions on your account. Let me go ahead and show you how I would do that. So one of the big accounts in my niche is Wealth Squad Chris, and he's in the Make Money Online niche, so I would use him as an example. I would go ahead and find whenever he posts. So first I would follow him, and then whenever he sends out a tweet, I would go ahead and just click on it and I would comment down below. So let's go ahead and find a good example. So here's an example of one of the tweets that I would actually comment under because it would relate to my niche, and that's he said, I invested 100% of my Gumroad check into the stock market, every single dime. Same thing I did last March. And he's just kind of talking about the stock market and all that. So I would just go ahead and leave a valuable comment underneath that, and I would direct people to my account using some kind of flex. So I would say something along the lines of, hey, I just got a Gumroad check as well, and I use that to invest back into my business, and now it's growing even more. So people get curious and they click over to my bio, and then they start following me and interacting with my affiliate tweets. When it comes to creating an affiliate tweet on Twitter, there's a couple important things that you need to know. First off, you need to give them some kind of hook so that they'll continue to read and be interested enough to click on your affiliate link. So right here, my hook is, what would you do with an extra $3,000 a month? And that right there is to get people thinking, okay, what is he talking about? How exactly do I earn $3,000 per month? And then I go on and I tell them a story. So stories really work well on Twitter. And I said, for me, it changed my life. In July 2020, I made $3,000 in 1 month. Learn the skills to make your first $3,000, and I direct them to my affiliate link. The goal here is to keep it super simple, to hook them in and then to tell them some kind of story that would make them interested enough to click over to your affiliate link and get traffic to that link so you can start making sales on Twitter. Method #2 for getting traffic to your affiliate links is using TikTok. Right now, TikTok is huge. It is exploding, and a lot of affiliates are getting great results on TikTok. I've been able to grow a following over 8,000 people in just a matter of a few videos, and I've been able to make thousands of dollars from TikTok using affiliate marketing, and it's really a simple process. Let me show you how. TikTok is absolutely booming right now, and there is so much traffic to be had on TikTok, getting that traffic to your affiliate links. And the most important thing that you need to remember when getting traffic from TikTok is to create content that points people who are viewing your videos on TikTok to your bio. That's the most important thing that you need to understand. So as you can see here, I started recently uploading some TikTok videos. I already have 8,000 followers. As you can see, I'll just take this one here for example. So this is an example of just a very short 7-second video that I did on TikTok, and I just told the story through text about what I did after I lost my job in March. And then I just said, want to learn how, link in bio. So that drove a ton of traffic to my link inside my bio, which actually is an opt-in page that leads to my affiliate link. And that's how that whole system works. So when it comes to TikTok, create content that other people are actually already creating. So TikTok loves copycat content. So if you find viral videos inside your niche, for me, it's the affiliate marketing niche, then go ahead and just copy that content and turn it into your own content on TikTok. And always make sure to end the videos with some kind of call to action to go to the bio and to check out whatever kind of product you're promoting and getting traffic to on TikTok. Method number 3 for getting traffic to your affiliate links is using Facebook. I've been able to use my Facebook profile in order to find a target audience and then promote affiliate offers to them using my personal Facebook profile. It's a great method. Let me show you how step by step. When it comes to driving traffic to your affiliate links using Facebook, I like to use the free method of using my Facebook profile, interacting with people inside of Facebook groups, and then driving traffic back to my bio on my personal Facebook profile. So this is how it works exactly. First thing that I would do is I would try to find groups that are inside my niche. So for me, it's the Make Money Online niche. So here are some good examples of some groups that I found using actually the Warrior Plus platform. I found some affiliates that were really doing well on Warrior Plus, and then I searched for their name inside of Facebook and then found their Facebook groups. Once I went ahead and got into those Facebook groups, I would go through all of the different members and I would send out friend requests, about 50 to 100 of those friend requests every single day to those members inside the Facebook group, and about 50% of them would friend me back. And then I could start promoting using my personal Facebook profile to all those new contacts that I had on Facebook. After I would do that, I would start creating these different kind of posts using images that really tell exactly what I'm promoting. So I would start off with some kind of hook. And this one, it says easy money selling done for you books. And then I talk about low content book selling. And I then go into talking about the new software that just released, teaching you how to make these books on autopilot. And then I also mentioned that all you had to do was comment the word easy down below, and then I would send you over the details to find out where that software is so that you can get that software plus the bonus package that I was offering included with that software. And as you can see, I had over 145 comments on that post alone. So a lot of people were interacting with that post because I was driving targeted traffic by friend requesting tons of people in my niche within those Facebook groups. And that is how you drive traffic to your affiliate links using Facebook for free. Method number 4 for getting traffic to your affiliate links is using YouTube. I love YouTube for getting traffic because it is evergreen and it is one of the best long-term options for getting sales with affiliate marketing. And it all comes down to ranking keywords on YouTube for simple search terms that people are searching in the search bar, and then getting that traffic and converting them into buyers. Let me show you how I like to do it. When it comes to driving traffic to your affiliate links using YouTube, I like to do a couple of different things to make sure I get my viewers to those links. Number 1 is I like to create content around keyworded videos so that I'm getting the right audience viewing my videos that I want to attract to my brand and my affiliate links. So in order to do that, I find low competition keywords on YouTube and then I create videos around them. So a couple examples are how to do affiliate marketing, how to do Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners, make money with Warrior Plus, how to make money on YouTube without making videos, how to promote affiliate links for free. All these different kind of keywords, I create videos around those keywords, and that ensures that I'm going to get the correct audience viewing my videos. Now, once they're inside, they're viewing my video, I like to direct them to the description of the video. And inside the description, I usually like to have some kind of call to action that talks about my number 1 way to make money online. And in this case, it is high ticket affiliate marketing, because that, I believe, is one of the best ways to make money right now on the internet. So I would direct the viewers to this link right here, which opens up the cash challenge. And you can actually go and check out this link right now below this video, because I will put it inside this video as well. But this right here actually is a opt-in page that allows me to connect with my audience via an email sequence, which allows me to just build more like and trust with that audience and then offer value and promote products in the back end. So that's how this whole system works when promoting affiliate products on YouTube and driving traffic to those products. One more thing that I'd like to mention in regards to getting traffic to your affiliate links using YouTube is you must promote that YouTube video to get views. When you're just starting out with a new YouTube account, it's really hard to get views to your videos. So the number one way that I like to promote my videos is through Twitter. So I use my existing audience on Twitter, and then I create a tweet like this that promotes my YouTube video inside the tweet. So I like to start off with, if you haven't seen the video that I just dropped, you're missing out. I reveal how I'm making $300 per month simply uploading YouTube videos and without making the videos myself. And then you can check it out right here, and I just link it below. That is my number one way to promote YouTube videos, because if you don't promote your YouTube videos on other platforms, it's really hard to get that quality traffic to those affiliate links using YouTube in the beginning. But once you have an established base of subscribers on YouTube, it's a lot easier to promote affiliate products and get traffic to your products using YouTube. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing and how to promote affiliate links and how to make more money with affiliate marketing, I highly suggest checking out the 15-day challenge. I'll leave a link down below this video so you can check it out on your own time. And inside the 15-day challenge is going to be 15 different videos that's going to show you step-by-step how to set up and build an affiliate marketing business long-term, so you can start making commissions with affiliate marketing and start learning how to build a really profitable business for yourself. I took this challenge back in July 2020, and I can honestly say that the knowledge inside of the 15-day challenge really did change my outlook on business and help me set up an email list, a funnel, a website, and really get my brand going and start bringing in affiliate commissions. So you can check that out down below. And if you want to know more about affiliate marketing from myself, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. Plus, I'll be bringing more videos to this channel all about affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, and how to build an online business that's going to be profitable for years to come. I'm David, and I will see you in the next video.